Been there since video kind said, before I meet you, did not think I had a shot at having a sweet and caring partner. I thought it was meant for other, but not for me. Watching TV show and movies, I hope that I had the same kind of love after meeting you. I found out the feelings is needed. Really, you are someone I know I had dreamed of for the longest time. You are very wonderful and real. You are here touching my cheek and your hand touching mine or some other things that make me want to you more appreciate it myself because you always inspire me to be better, if not the best. You have made many things possible because of your kind and generous heart, even though it is true that nothing lasts forever in this world. I know that our devotion to each other will last for an eternity. I promise to be faithful to you and I will never stop caring and loving you. I will, you are man united my last breath. Hello, my lovely fans. Try your best, register for your Provil membership card because I want to give away a brand new trick car to my lovely fans. Button and get your car delivered and your package. I never thought I would be writing something like this. Never thought reach the point where goodbye would be their only thing left to say. But there I am broken, tired, and completely tired, not because I stopped loving you, because I finally realized you were never really loving me back. You do not just lie to me, you lied to kids, to the ones who trusted you without you questions. We locked and you locked, you hang the stars in the sky. Give them love that was not real. You gave us love that was fripped in prettiness, celeste with fails, promise dissolves in affection. Meant nothing. Do you even realize what are you done? I lead my whole heart in hand. Every day I give you the best of me. I fought for you when it felt like I was the only one fighting. I carried the weight even when you cry distant. I keep holding on, telling myself she just going through something. She'll come back. She loves us, but the truth is you were never really here. You checked out long ago, and all that was left was a shell of the woman I once believed in. The lies you told were not just words, they were passions. You looked into my eyes and savors love. I live local ladies forever, and the whole time you knew you were feeding me illusions. You let me fall deeper while you stood on the edge, ready to walk away to any moment. And that hurts the most is known you watched me, believe you watched the kids, believe you and still keep to going with the act. Do you remember the way they used to smile around? How they would light up when you held them, when you laughed with them. That was really from they did not know you were already gone inside the wanted to know their mother was showing them love with a mask on. I tried, could know. I tried, I stepped when I should be walked away from forgive when I should be broken. I believed in even when you stopped believing in us. And now I am looking for pick up the pieces, not just of my heart, but of there too. You don't not just break a relationship, you break a home. I hope one day you truly understand the weight of that you are done.